Everyone, Garrett here from Code the Web, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the plugins section of your WordPress system or installation that you have. So what we can do is we're going to hit this installed plugins right here, and this is going to give you a list of all of the plugins you currently have installed on your website. Now by default, WordPress comes with 2, I believe. I think there used to be 3, that third one being Jetpack, which is WordPress's kind of their own website tools that you can use. That's actually, we're going to show you guys how to install a plugin, and that's going to be the one that we're going to install. So I just want to show you this really quick. Similar to the appearance page, this is the manager for all of your active plugins, all of your current installed plugins on your website. Now currently neither of these are active. This one, Hello Dolly, I'm not really sure why they installed that, but we're just going to go and delete that because it's not really doing anything for us. This one here is called a Kismet, and that's a spam plugin. That's actually really important, and you're going to want to activate that and set that one up because it is going to block people from posting spam on your website in the form of comments and trying to sign up and stuff like that. So it's pretty important. Now let's go to install a new one. You can either hit add new up there or just add new right down here. It doesn't really matter. It will take you to the same place, and these are actually right here, the featured plugins. There's not very many of them, like 6 or something like that. Yeah. You can also go to popular, which is right here, recommended, and then favorites. I don't have any favorites, but a lot of these will actually be like website performance plugins that are really, really important that you definitely want to have. So like this one, like here, like W3 Total Cache. That's a very, very important plugin that's going to help you out with caching your website because WordPress doesn't really do that good of a job with caching. We're going to get into all that stuff in another video where we talk about performance tips and stuff like that. But nevertheless, that is a pretty important plugin, and a lot of these will really, really help your WordPress website hit that next level. So let's go ahead and install this one called Jetpack by WordPress.com. We're going to hit activate, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to go to Jetpack. And we're going to connect Jetpack. Now you do need to have a WordPress.com account in order to get this to work. I'm just going to hit approve, and then this will take us back, and everything should work just fine. Now what Jetpack does is it gives you a lot of cool tools that you can use, such as website stats, and this thing we're just going to hit skip. So it gives you a lot of really, really cool tools that you can use to enhance your website and make administering your website a lot easier. We're actually going to have a whole video on Jetpack because that's how awesome it is. But that is how you install plugins, in WordPress. And then the last thing I want to talk about is the editor. Now, if you guys remember in the appearance video that we did last time, I said please don't touch the editor because it could mess things up, and if you don't know what you're doing, it will mess things up. See, the thing is that everything here already works together. If you're not the developer, if you're someone that just installed a plugin, chances are it's going to work just fine. So don't bother doing that. Same thing goes for the plugins in the editor in the plugin section. Don't mess around with this stuff because it will mess up your website and make things not work, and then you'll probably not be able to fix it because there's just so much to it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up or a like, and also comment if you have any questions or anything else that you want to see in future videos. Also, be sure to subscribe or to follow and like all my social media accounts. All the links will be in the description. Also, I have a new channel. It's called App Stack. We make new videos on apps reviews every week. So definitely subscribe to that as well. Again, all links are in the description, so check that out. Take care. See you guys next week. Peace.